As a manufacturer, you know it's critical to have the right tools in the right people's hands. You do it all the time. You spend a ton of money on getting those right tools because you know how much productivity is improved. You can get 2 or 3 times the output from the same staff with the right tools. Okay, so that's obvious. Why don't you do the same for your IT team? Whether that's an in house person or outsource, IT is really no different. We have a standard set of tools that need to be in every environment. Otherwise, we're wasting a ton of time. First and foremost, you need a ticketing system. This system is the core of everything else. And this doesn't mean having some standalone system, maybe something you home grew or something that you got for free, but it doesn't talk to anything. That's really not that effective. That's not a good tool. What a good ticketing system does is it collects data from all of your other tools and centralizes that in one place so that your team can prioritize and most efficiently get through the tickets that they need to get through. Also, it allows management to report on what their effectiveness really is. Are they doing busy work or are they actually getting things done that improve your production, improve your shipping, improve your bottom line? The next thing that you need to have is a patching system. This is an area that we see a lot of IT professionals wasting a lot of time, and it's really not needed. There are automated patching systems which are centrally driven that allow you to get all of that done with a couple of mouse clicks, and it just saved you tens, hundreds of hours over the course of a year. Okay, so patching is next. The final key thing is your network monitoring. If you are running around reacting to every event, this thing is down, this other thing is slow. If you're doing that in a reactionary mode, you're wasting time. Because when you have a bigger problem, it tends to manifest itself in several smaller problems. So as you're spending time looking at each smaller problem, you're missing the big picture. So that's why you want to have network monitoring and monitoring that, of course, ties directly into your ticketing system. Only that way can you look and see trends and patterns. And finally, one more area that is something that most IT people really only dream of is automation. Can you automate those routine, boring, quite frankly, tasks that every IT person has to do? There is absolutely a way to do this. We can help you out. If you have any questions or want to learn more, give me a call. My name is Ron Searle, PCS International. Give us a call at 847 348 3900 or go to Learning Center on our website. We have a lot of information about this stuff and more. Go to www.pcsintl.com and click on the Learning Center. And I hope you learned something. Anyway, look forward to talking to you soon.